Hey everyone, how's it going? This is me, Nick, and welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get your very own YouTube intro. As you may have noticed, I said get, not create. And the reason to that is because we're going to go and search for a basic intro and just put our name on it and then just submit it the way it is. We're not basically, creating the intro step by step. Today I'm just going to show you how to search for an intro that you may like, put your channel name on it, and then you should be good from there. So without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. Alright, so first off you want to go on this website called panzoid.com. Just search Panzoid for short. Once you search it up, you click the first link. It's Panzoid. Okay, once you get into Panzoid, you can see that there is a lot of templates, a lot of intros, banners for like the subscribe button or for Twitter. Here on Panzoid, you not only can make your own intro, but you can also make your very own outro as well. And basically on here, people create a numerate of intros, outros, and banners like the subscribe button on the green screen, for instance. And it makes it very easy for people on YouTube like myself, because I really don't know how to create an intro or an outro. So I mean, I've been doing this ever since I started YouTube. I went out and searched for an intro that I liked and put my name on it and submitted it the way it was, and boom. So it's very useful, and it makes it very easy for people like me and other YouTubers out there. That way you don't have to go on to like some sort of editor and try to create your own intro. Alright, once you get on, as you can see, there are a lot of intros out here. So obviously if these are certain types of intros you don't like to see, then you can click down to see more creations. Once you click on more creations, you can search up whatever you want. You can search up a intro or outro or banner, anything you want. So I'm just gonna go for this, for example. Once you find an intro that you think you like, then open and click marker. Right here you can look all around your intro, make sure it's in a good place, the 3D all around it. If you want to see it in first person view, you click on this eye looking icon down in the bottom left corner of the screen, toggle render preview, and obviously click play to see it. Okay, seems good. Okay, sorry for that. I know that was cringe, but just had to do it for the views, So anyways, once you play through your intro and you think it looks pretty nice, then next you got to put your name on the text. You don't want the intro to just say text. You want to put your channel name on there. So to do that, if you look at my mouse, we head to the left corner of the screen and you click on this cube that says objects. Once you click on it, you're gonna see the text. Once you see the text name, you want to change it to like your channel name or whatever name you want to name your intro. So I'm just gonna name it by my name, which is Nick. Oh yeah, sorry. Once you put your name down, click enter. That way your name pops up. So I'll just enter. Okay, and Nick, enter. Alright, once your group and the text have your name on it, your channel name, whatever name you want to put on it, obviously you can edit your text as well. You can change it to a bold font, you can change it to whatever font you want. You can change the colors of your font and text as well. You can basically just edit your text. Make sure everything on there is edited as well. That way it doesn't look different on screen. So if this one has the Bolo Bahina font, you want to have to do the same thing on there. That way your intro doesn't look any weird. That way it looks the same thing and nothing really is messed up with it. And I guess once you've done that, you're basically finished. But let's say you don't want your intro to be that long. You want it to be short. You want it to be 5 seconds long. Well, you could come on here. If you want to make your intro short, I'd say, okay, we'll make it like 6 seconds long instead of 10 seconds long. Then it will switch it. Once you've done that, you can play it. And then it will just go 6 seconds long, but I encourage you guys to go to the limit of time the intro is giving you, because as you can see, it did not finish. The intro clearly did not finish, so leave it the way it is. We obviously want to save the intro and make a video of it, so to download it, we want to go down here with the arrow, and it says download on it, so you can choose the best quality for it, so I'm just going to go with balance. Keep it at the MKV, and then start video render once you're finished, and the video is going to start rendering. It's going to create your intro and download a video of it, and once you're done with that, you basically got your very own intro that you can put it on your videos. You can obviously drag your intro into your editor and place it in front of your video, and I think that does it for now. That's basically how you do it. Alright, so once this is done downloading, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on video, and then we're finished from there. So hope you guys enjoy it. Once your video is all downloaded, you got your very own intro. So let's take a look at the intro we just created here on this video. So that's basically it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys do, please leave a like down below. If you want any more tutorial videos in the future, please do subscribe. If you guys have any questions, be sure to comment down below what you are stuck on. That way I'll be able to come and help you guys out with the problem you are having. That basically does it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. With